Bold claim. Most people chase hype, but the winners chase data. Today I'm showing you how I find winning blockchains, and how Nansen points fit into that hunt. First, the hook. I don't guess, I score chains. If a chain's user growth, developer activity, and real fees trend up together, I pay attention. If not, I move on. Steps. Step 1, users that stick. I look at daily active addresses and, more importantly, retention. How many wallets come back weekly? If growth is just from airdrop farming, it fades fast. Step 2, devs that ship. I check public repos, grants, hackathons, and mainnet releases. Fewer commits but big feature launches can beat spammy activity. Step 3, sticky value. Track TVL moving averages, bridge inflows, and on-chain fee revenue. Fees trending up with stable incentives, green flag, TVL spiking only when rewards spike, red flag. Step 4, cost to fund ratio. If transactions are cheap and fast, people experiment. If the chain is congested or pricey during normal days, growth stalls. Step 5, ecosystem momentum. Are top apps migrating in? Are there brand name partners, wallets, or payments going live? Are creators launching their tools? I use Nansen for wallet cohorts, smart money flows, and chain dashboards. I use L2Beat for Ethereum L2 security and throughput. I use Token Terminal for fees, revenue, and active devs. I use Dune dashboards for custom queries when I need a second check. Now Nansen points. Think of them as Nansen's loyalty and engagement system. You earn points by connecting wallets, exploring dashboards, completing quests, using portfolio, and sometimes via referrals or campaigns. Points can help with access, perks, or future promos. Nansen runs, no guarantees. I use points as a bonus for doing the research I do anyway. Proof. Quick pass on 2 chains I watched. Base. I saw steady daily users, low fees, and rapid app launches. Fee revenue trended up while incentives stayed moderate. That combo screamed product market fit. Solana. Post-2023, I tracked rising fees during normal traffic, not just mint frenzies, plus creator tools exploding. Dev velocity plus improving reliability kept the line moving. Were there drawdowns? Of course, but the data kept recovering. Users returned, fees held, apps shipped. Your checklist you can run today. Pull daily active users and 730-day retention, compare fees to incentives, verify dev releases, not just commit counts, test real costs, run a few transactions, cross-verify with Nansen, Token Terminal, L2Beat, and Dune. If 3 or more boxes are bright green over multiple weeks, I dig deeper. If 2 turn red, I park it. I don't predict the future. I measure momentum, use data, rack up Nansen points while you learn, and let the signals, not the noise. Pick your winners.